We take a new chapter today in discussing geography. The Earth as one of the unique planets where existence of humans or living beings, both in the plant form, animal form, and human form, has been confirmed so far. One of the defining characters of our planet is its land mass and its water mass. The land is divided into continents, and the water, 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with salty water, is known to be oceans. These oceans, how many of them are there, how they are to be classified, have been taught to us in our textbooks. American and European textbooks keep on telling that there are only four, which are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Now, of these, the first three, namely the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean, are the major oceans. The Arctic Ocean is on the fringes of the land masses, either on the northern side or on the southern side. And most of the time, they're covered with ice. The study has not been made because seafarers never explored them, and oceanographers and marine biologists didn't study much of them. Now, of course, in the last 30 or 40 years, some studies have been made. But however, they have not attracted that much of attention. But in this part, in the Asiatic part of it, the ocean count has a different perspective. Many scientific organizations like the International Hydrographic Organization, or the IHO, which is the apex body of many national governments studying the oceans, because most of the major nations are surrounded by oceans, they note the existence of a fifth ocean, which is called the Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean. The top is Arctic Ocean, the bottom is Antarctic Ocean, below the 60-degree southern latitude. And many member countries do not agree with formal borders of different oceans. When one considers the circumpolar current of the Antarctic Ocean and the winds that circle outer approaches of many continents, they create some kind of a natural separation, because continents are pouring winds into the oceans, and oceans, through their own natural phenomenon, define their properties. You travel from one ocean to the other, you experience a difference, and that is why currents and the Antarctic convergence in terms of both oceanography and meteorology define what are the boundaries of the ocean. The boundaries of the ocean may or may not be accepted universally, but functionally speaking, there is only one ocean. Every demarcated ocean with meteorological factors are at least connected to two other oceans. So in reality, there is a single continuous ocean which is connected by what is known as thermohaline circulation. The thermohaline circulation, which is also called the global ocean conveyor or great ocean conveyor belt, it transports seawater through all the named oceans. Thermohaline circulation continuously replaces water at the depth with water from the surface. Surface water goes down and slowly replaces surface water elsewhere in some other ocean, with water rising from the deeper depths. Because of this thermohaline circulation, some parts of the world may be saying there are four oceans, some parts may be telling five, some part may be telling that it is defined by oceanography and meteorology. In effect, there is one ocean. That cannot be said about the continents, which have clear boundaries through oceans, through national boundaries, because men inhabit the landed part of it, and men generally do not inhabit the oceanic part of it. Difference between ocean and continents will remain always distinct. Oceans unify the world more than the continents do. Thank you very much.